All right guys, in the summertime, our houses get really hot. The sun beats down on our roof and we need to figure out how to get all that hot air inside out to keep our houses a lot cooler. That is where installing an attic fan can accomplish just that. Today, I'll be showing you how I'm gonna install this Amazon purchase Remington solar powered 20-watt attic fan that requires zero wiring. As you can see, it's already working and an easy installation. In the meantime, try not to kill ourselves on a roof. Probably a bad time to share with you guys that I don't like ladders and heights and roofs. And all three are here. Okay, try to play it cool. So you want to install the attic fan as high of the highest point of your roof as possible. They're recommending 2 feet down from the ridge. Make sure it's not hitting the rafter, so see on where it is. I know there's a rafter there, and they're typically between, some are 14, some are 16, some are 20, so figure out where your rafters are. I have a vent, ridgeline vent there, so I know there's no rafter here. We need to cut a 14.5-inch hole specific for the attic fan we're working with. I'm gonna put a hole screw down the middle here and create a circumference and figure out the radius of it. That's 14.5 inches wide. This would be a great time to have like a white Sharpie, huh? Using a black Sharpie on a black roof when it's 70 degrees outside. What could be worse? Well, it could be 100 degrees. That's one thing that could be worse. True. Be optimistic. Be thankful. Don't die. To make your life easier, you can always drill a hole, pilot hole with a drill, or you can just use an angle slowly until you start getting a little bite. Okay, didn't hit anybody. All right, now that our hole is cut up, we're gonna use a pry bar and start prying up around this area the nails that are holding the shingles in place, because this puppy is gonna slide underneath them. You guys' roof is not as steep as mine. You see the videos like installing like this, people got like a flat roof. I'm like, oh, it must be nice. Not us. Here on this Mr. Builder channel, we put our life in danger for you. So embarrassing. Took off my Christmas decoration and it's May. And I didn't take the clips off. Might as well. Fun playing catch on the roof where you drop things, you gotta go get them. Should have packed a lunch. All right, now that we got everything off, we're gonna use our sealant. Get a nice bead. And I love that this thing is solar powered. Everything fitted. And then there's 2 screw holes here. Now, where are my screws? Oh, I think I got them. Try getting screws out of your pocket sitting on a roof. Good luck. If you're brand new to the channel, consider subscribing. Please. All right, all I got left is to just make sure the radius is trimmed around the shingles so it's nice and pretty. A little real good. Time is 1:55. That means if anything happens to me, we'll know my last known well. Last order of business, cover your screw holes with sealant so water doesn't seep through them. I can feel that. It's so crazy seeing it work solar. And there we go. All right, so the attic fan's installed, it's working. If you're questioning about water, there's a reason why you put it on the top and not somewhere flat. Water runs down here, goes over the shingles, hits this little half pipe, and goes down. And because this is underneath all the shingles, and this acts as its own flashing, it goes all the way down. If this was in a corner somewhere, water could seep up here, but it won't, it just goes over. So don't kill me in the comments. This is how all the pros install it. I'm not a pro, just want to be one day. Yeah, let's get down, it's hot. I hate roofs. All right, just to show you guys that this is how to install them. See, this is the ridge vent. This is already installed in the house. The flashing is right below. Shingles are over it. That's my furnace. Nope, that's not my furnace. That is my water heater, the exhaust for it. And look, same thing there. So, I'm not a dummy, okay? Stop saying that. Hey, thanks so much for sticking around watching one of my videos. It means the world to me. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Tap the notification bell so you'll know when I put these videos out. Hope you guys learned a lot on this project. Tune out this week. We'll see you guys on the next one. See ya. Bye.